Quick look from our sky cam in Coahoma County. Again, we've been dealing with foggy conditions for this morning, but this fog should be clearing out by the late morning hours. So now let's go ahead and get into the forecast. So again, we did have cloudy skies this weekend. We had some rain moving in, but that rain has pushed out the Delta just a couple of hours ago. But we're not done with the rain just yet. We can start to get more showers as we head into tonight and also continuing for the next couple of days. So now here's a look at the watches and warnings map. So light green color, that indicates a flood warning that's in effect for the next few days. It'll be expiring on Saturday at various times. Then this is for our southern parts of the Delta, mainly for Yazoo County, Holmes County, and also into Atala counties. Winter weather advisory, that will go into effect at midnight tonight and expire Wednesday at noon. This includes Coahoma County and also Quitman County, Panola, and Lafayette counties. And then there's an ice storm warning a little further away from us, but we're still seeing that for the northernmost part of Mississippi, northwest corner. And that ice storm warning will go into effect this evening and expire Wednesday at noontime. So quick look at your current temps. It's 45 now in Greenville. Winds are in from the north at 9 miles per hour. Over in Greenwood, there are 50 with northwesterly winds at 7 miles per hour. And taking a wider look at current temps around the Delta, is still 39 in Clarksdale, 36 now in Tunica, 50 in Greenwood, and 57 in Vicksburg. And our wind speeds are still pretty calm for this morning. They're from the north at 6 miles per hour in Monticello, north-northeasterly winds at 3 miles per hour in Monroe, and northerly winds at 5 for Vicksburg. So highs for today will only be around 50. Our northernmost Delta towns could just remain in the 40s for their high for today. Winds will be from the north around 15 miles per hour and gusts will be up to 20. Overnight lows will be in the low to mid 30s. We'll have cloudy skies still for tonight. Showers returning in once again, and our wind gusts could get up to 20 miles per hour. And then for Tuesday, it'll be a colder day, so prepare to bundle up. Our highs will only be reaching the upper 30s. Winds will be from the north around 15 to 20 miles per hour. So now looking at your future tracker. So we had that cold front that moved out sometime yesterday evening, and we're still having this surge of Arctic air pushing further and further south into our area. Now, with this colder air mixing in with some moisture, we could possibly have some ice accumulating. Now, we're going to expect 2 rounds of that for tonight and then also for tomorrow night heading into Wednesday morning. So while we're not really expecting much to occur in the mid and south Delta, we're mainly expecting any ice accumulation to occur for the northernmost parts of the Delta and closer up to the Tennessee state line and within the Memphis area. So again, expecting that for late tonight into Tuesday morning and then also Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So again, that's what we're keeping an eye out on. Now, of course, with winter weather forecasting, it could get a little bit tricky because the amount of moisture and also just how many degrees away from freezing or below freezing makes all the difference. So it's just a lot of intricate details. So we're just going to do our best to keep you informed on that. But for right now, really not expecting any ice to accumulate for the Delta. But if any does, we're only expecting trace amounts. But again, that's mainly for the northernmost part of our area, more so Coahoma County, Quitman, and closer up to the Tennessee state line. So timing this out, around midnight tonight, heading into Wednesday morning, just looking at trace amounts to accumulate, and then we'll just start to have more rainfall occurring on and off throughout the day Tuesday. But then Tuesday night, we'll start to have more ice moving in, more ice accumulating, So we could get just a little over a quarter of an inch for Clarksdale, Cleveland, McGee, Arkansas, and just a little under half an inch for Charleston. But again, mid and south Delta, mainly expecting just rainfall to occur. You know, if our temperatures do get just a tad bit colder, because we're expected to remain above freezing, but if we do get just a little bit colder for the mid and south Delta, we could possibly have some freezing rain occurring as we head into Wednesday morning. But for right now, that's the main thing that you need to know. Possible ice accumulation for northernmost parts of the Delta and possible freezing rain as well for the mid and south Delta. But of course, we're just going to keep you up to date on that with our forecasts and any social media postings. Now, as we get through the end of the week, it'll still be mostly cold, but eventually we'll have more sunshine returning as another high pressure system will be moving back in. So we'll get a little bit warmer heading into the weekend and have some drier weather returning. So highs for tomorrow and Wednesday, just staying in the upper 30s to low 40s, mid 40s for Thursday, upper 40s Friday. Then we should be in the low 50s and upper 50s on Saturday and also Sunday. Thank you for tuning in. Have a magnificent Monday. And now, Michaela, back to you.